In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Zoom link or a Zoom meeting to your Google Calendar. So let's start by visiting calendar.google.com. We'll open the calendar just like so, and then we'll try to add an event. We'll click on create, go to events, and we want to give the event a title. And then we can come down here. This is where we added meeting details, and you can just go ahead, go to more options, and then you'll be able to see make it a Zoom meeting. Okay, so you specify the date, the timing. This is the time we want, and then we can come down here, add location if you want to, but say it's a Zoom meeting, so we can click. It has recently been added, and with just that click, it will. But sometimes you have to sign in to your Zoom account. So you can see it has generated the meeting link, as well as down here it has given us the key details, the Zoom meeting link, the meeting ID, as well as the meeting password. So you can just copy these, or when you share with the people that you want to create the calendar with, you're going to see this detail and they can join the meeting via Zoom. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.